Chris, I'm on a tight timeline. I have to sell quick. How do I sell my property faster? Let's talk about it. What's going on, good guys? Chris Newton here, Chris Newton Real Estate, chrisnewtonrealestate.com. Follow me on Instagram and Twitter, Chris Newton Real Estate. Like, comment, subscribe. Hit that subscribe. Look, if you use your index, boom. Use your thumb, boom. Use your middle, boom. Use your index, pinky, whatever. Twitter fingers, all right? Tell a friend, tell a friend, tell a friend. Let's talk about it. How do you sell your property faster? The best way to sell a property faster, you call the real estate agent by Chris Newton from Brooklyn, New York. That'd be this guy right here, this handsome, beautiful face. Look, I'm getting strong too. I'm just teasing. That's one thing you want to do. Also, you know, well, I'm not trolling. I'm serious. But joking aside, the way that you're going to sell your property quickly is one, timing. You want to time the market. Now, timing the market is definitely difficult. Why? You don't know when the rates are going to go up, when the rates are going to go down. You don't know what's going to happen with the economy. You don't know if one country is going to bomb another. You don't know what's going to happen. But timing is definitely of the essence, right? That's one. Two, proper pricing. You want to price it correctly. So now we have three types of pricing, right? Aspirational, perceived, and event, right? So now when we go into like perceived is perceived market value. So basically what's on the market right now, what the market is calling for, you want to go there. Aspirational is when you go up in price where you really shouldn't be. And event pricing is when you're down in price, kind of, you know, which is the most effective, right? You want to sell your property quickly. You talk to your real estate agent, you say, listen, Chris told me that you don't call me for some reason, shame on you. However, you call another agent that's not as good as Chris and you say, listen, Chris said there's three types of pricing. Can you explain that to me? They probably won't be able to explain it to you, but I'll kind of give you a little hint until you call me and then we can discuss it. You want to sell your property quicker, we're going to do event pricing. We're going to price it low, not super low. We're going to price it just below market value to bring that traction in. All right. Also, we want to market positioning, right? We want to market your property in a way to get it to move quickly, right? But Chris, if you do that, then I'm going to, lose out on a lot of money. You're not going to lose out on a lot of money. You're going to lose out on nothing. It's fine, right? Think of it like this. You have a department store, right? You have a department store and the department store has, on a regular day, I used to work in retail. On a regular day, you have, your steady flow of customers and everything is full price. Now you have a crazy sale, 30% off store wide. What do you think is going to happen? Whoosh! A ton of people is going to come in, right? So now when you got that big influx of people, what's going to happen? The demand increases. So now people are buying things that, this happened this past Black Friday and it went viral on TikTok. I don't know if it was Target or Walmart or whichever it was, where the people were peeling back, the signs where it said this was $4.69 Black Friday sale, and then behind it was a regular sale, $4.69. So it wasn't even a sale, but now in the mind of the consumer, this is a deal. Why? Because Black Friday is known for a deal. So everybody, now I got about it. So this is a great price. It's a great price. It's regular price. That TV probably been on sale for the past 9 months. Nobody wanted it. But now because it has that branding of Black Friday on it, everybody kind of wants it. FOMO sets in, fear of missing out sets in, and now people are getting that price. So do you think that they're really missing out on any money? No. Why? Because it's also what they call a loss leader factor, right? Walmart is definitely known to do this. You price things low, you get a bunch of people to come in, and then yes, they'll buy those lower ticket items. However, now they want to buy this microwave. Now they want to buy this. Now they want to buy that. the profit margin on those lower ticket items that they give you a crazy discount on, they wasn't much anyway. So they're not really losing anything, but they're making a lot of money on those TVs. They're making a lot of money on that microwave, on that fridge, and so on and so forth. So now those lower ticket price items become ancillary items. Basically just add-ons, because they really wanted you to buy this. For them to get you to buy this, they had to get you to want to buy this. And now you're there just like, when you go to Target or you go to the supermarket, you went in there for 5 things and you walk out with a whole cart. That's marketing. So this is what we want to do with the property. We want to bring the demand in. How do we bring the demand in? We do this. Boom. Yeah, like how I broke that down, right? I know it's a little long-winded, but I just had to get the idea and the notion stuck in your head. All right. So that's how we're going to sell your property fast. Are you going to lose money? No. It's just we want the people to think that they're getting a deal. We want to take pictures, not pictures. Okay. We want to actually get a photographer in here to take professional photos. And we want a good turnaround time. Time is of the essence. So we don't want a great photographer that's going to take 2 weeks to bring those freaking photos back. No, 24 to 48 hours is great. You don't want them to rush it. Get it back to me in 12 hours, and your freaking photos come back looking like crap. So these are the things that's going to take to get your property to sell faster. So time, market positioning, and pricing, proper pricing. Those are the 3 things. And calling Chris. Chris is definitely number 4, but when you count, it's 1, 2, 3, 4. So yes, call Chris. Proper pricing, proper marketing positioning, and whatever the first one I said. All right. And time. Time is of the essence. Those are going to be the things that it's going to take to get your property sold quickly and in a timely manner for a lot of money. You'll actually make a lot more money doing what I just said than you would if you put it at the other 2 strategies 9 times out of 10. It's a fact. All right. Like, comment, subscribe, tell a friend. Do you see that subscribe button? It's right there. Hit it. Boom, 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 boom. Talk to you guys soon. Later.